Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to add shadows to images and text in WordPress using Divi. If you want to try Divi for yourself, I have left a link in the description where you can get it. Shadows are a simple way to make your design stand out and give more depth to your website. Let's start with images. In your WordPress dashboard, open the page where you want to add the image shadow. Click to enable the Divi Visual Builder. Once the builder loads, hover over the image module and click the gear icon to open the settings. Inside the settings window, go to the Design tab, scroll down until you see the box Shadow section. Here you will find a collection of preset shadow styles. You can click on any of them to instantly apply the effect to your image. Once you pick a style, you can customize it further. You can adjust the horizontal and vertical position to control where the shadow falls. You can change the blur strength to make the shadow sharper or softer. You can also set the spread strength to decide how far the shadow expands. If you want a different look, you can choose a custom shadow color and adjust its transparency. These controls give you full flexibility, so you can make the shadow look subtle or dramatic depending on your design. Now let's look at text shadows. Open a text module and again go to the Design tab, scroll down to the Text Shadow section. Just like with images, you will see several preset shadow styles. Click to apply the one you like. Once selected, you can fine-tune it. Adjust the shadow horizontal and vertical position to decide the direction. You can increase or decrease the blur to control how sharp or soft the shadow looks behind your text. You can also choose a custom shadow color if you want to match your branding. Text shadows work well when you want to make headings stand out or when you need more contrast between the text and the background. Be careful not to overuse it though. A light, subtle shadow often looks more professional than a heavy one. When you are done making changes, click the green check button to save. Then save the page in the Divi Builder and exit to view the final result. You will see your images and text now have depth with the shadows applied. If you'd like to try Divi yourself, click the link in the description to get it from Elegant Themes at a great price.